Hello friends, it's me Vedashri from class 7th. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, a day dedicated in the memory of man who against all odds rose up to shape the nation of our nation by being the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. Today, we are not just remembering this great personality, but also embrace his vision for the society. So now, with pride in your heart and gratitude in our souls, let us begin our today's program in the honor of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Now, I request the choir group to please come on the stage for the prayer. Your hands.
His deeds and contributions made it unforgettable in the minds of many. To honor him with flowers, I would like to welcome our manager, Reverend Sister Bina Varghese, our principal, Reverend Sister Divya, and our vice principal, Reverend Sister Fizia Gandhi. And our staff secretaries, Mr. Rathod sir, Mrs. Vaishali Khenna teacher, and Mrs. Manisha teacher. And our school's head boy, Mr. Manas Sitte on the stage.
That you can use to change your life. A man who did lots of things for our country, it is indeed mandatory thing to remember and honor him in a prayer. This is time for that. Now I request Mrs. Poonam teacher and 7th A students on a dance for special prayer.
वो हाथ जोड़कर शांत बैठे, बुद्ध वंदना बोली जाएगी, साथ ही में इसका अर्थ बताया जाएगा। ध्यान से सबने ग्रहण करना है। नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स। नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स। नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स।
उस भगवान को अरहत समस्त संबुद्ध को मेरा नमन।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि,
मैं बुद्ध का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि,
मैं धर्म का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
संघं शरणं गच्छामि,
मैं दूसरी बार मैं बुद्ध का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
द्वितीयमपि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि।
दूसरी बार मैं धम्म का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
द्वितीयमपि संघं शरणं गच्छामि।
दूसरी बार मैं संघ का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
तृतीयमपि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि।
तीसरी बार मैं बुद्ध का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
तृतीयमपि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि।
तीसरी बार मैं धर्म का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
तृतीयमपि संघं शरणं गच्छामि।
तीसरी बार मैं संघ का अनुसरण करता हूँ।
पानातिपातं समाधियामि।
मैं प्राणी मात्र की हिंसा से विरत रहने की शिक्षा ग्रहण करता हूँ।
अदिन्नदाना वैरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि।
मैं चोरी करने से विरत रहने की शिक्षा ग्रहण करता हूँ।
कामेषु मिच्छाचारा वैरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि।
मैं काम वासना के अनाचार से विरत रहने की शिक्षा ग्रहण करता हूँ।
मुसावादा वैरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि।
मैं झूठ बोलने से विरत रहने की शिक्षा ग्रहण करता हूँ।
सूरा वैरयमज्जपमादठाना वैरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि।
मैं शराब तथा नशीली चीजों से सेवन रहने से विरत रहने की शिक्षा ग्रहण करता हूँ।
सर्वपापस्य अनुकरणं
कोई भी पाप कर्म न करना,
कुशलस्य उपसंपदा
अच्छी शिक्षा ग्रहण करना,
सच्चित्तपरियोधपणम्
अपने चित्त शुद्ध परिशुद्ध रखना,
एतं बुद्धानुशासनम्।
यही बुद्ध की शिक्षा है।
साधु साधु साधु। बुद्धं नमामि, धम्मं नमामि, संघं नमामि।
Students, for transporting yourselves into a diving mood, the villager, the man of idea and the good leader, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is so much for us Indians. He stands out from all other countries' constitution. I would like to invite Samyak from 3rd standard who are sharing some idea on the special day of the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Jayanti. Samyak Adamsadawate, and I wanted to speak some few lines about Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was a great man. He is known as Baba Saheb. He was born on 14 April 1891. His father name was Ramji Sarkar and his mother name was Bhimabai Sarkar. He studied lot of things in younger days, all days. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was first law minister of our India. He fought for equality and justice. He was father of Indian Constitution. He died on 6 December 1956. He is remembered as a hero. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar quote, "Be educated, and be organized." Thank you. Thank you, Samyak, for your wonderful speech. Let's encourage him with a huge round of applause. Song helps us to bring the peace of mind. It is the reflection of the sounds of the nature to make us more innate and renewed. I would like to welcome 7th standard students for a soulful song.
रामजी आंबेडकर, बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजतंय हो जगभर. बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजतंय हो जगभर. हे खरंच आहे खरं, हे खरंच आहे खरं. भीमराव रामजी आंबेडकर, बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजते हो जगभर. बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजते हो जगभर. महाविरोध कवटाळीला, सारा समाज सांभाळीला, कोटी कोटीचा उद्धार केला हो, शिखांनीला मानाचा शेला. अंधरुडीला गुलामगिरीला, अंधरुडीला गुलामगिरीला लावली या कातर, लावली या कातर. बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजते हो जगभर. बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजते हो जगभर. हे खरंच आहे खरं, हे खरंच आहे खरं. भीमराव रामजी आंबेडकर, बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजते हो जगभर. बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर नाव हे गाजते हो जगभर. Thank you. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. This beautiful quote is proved by our Josephine winners through their medals. So for honoring the winners, I would like to call our school principal, Reverend Sister Divya and Sister Veena on the stage. Now I would like to call the winners of National Mathematics Olympiad Contest. I would like to call the winners of National Science Olympiad exam.
Dance is an art.
The art which requires the sharpness of movement and expression.
Dance possesses the minds of people.
To make bring of joy, we have over 5th and 7th standard students to set the stage on fire.
Without any delay, let me welcome our dancers for the dance on the stage.
1891 मध्ये अशा महामानवाचा जन्म झाला ज्याने देशाच्या संविधानाला जन्म दिला आणि त्याच व्यक्तीमुळे आज भारत देशाचा संपूर्ण कारभार चालतो. अशी व्यक्ती म्हणजे डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर.
क्रांती सूर्य तू, शिल्पकार तू, भारताचा बोधिसत्व मूकनायका. मोडल्या रूढी त्या परंपरा, दिवजते तूच सकल न्यायदायका. क्रांती सूर्य तू, शिल्पकार तू, भारताचा बोधिसत्व मूकनायका. जीवन तुझे आम्हास प्रेरणा, नाही दिशा तुझीच गर्जना. भीमराया
ideologies and what did he teach us to be.
You might be having a lot of questions like this. Don't worry, to clear all the doubts.
Now I would like to welcome Tanmay Ugle from 7th A for delivering the speech.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Tanmay Talasai Ugle. Today we gather to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a visionary leader and champion of social injustice and champion of equality. As we celebrate this special day, let's reflect on Dr. Ambedkar's remarkable life and legacy. Dr. Ambedkar was a true champion of social injustice, such as caste-based discrimination, and worked towards creating a more inclusive society. His message of self-respect, self-reliance, and social injustice continues to inspire us today. As students, we can learn lessons from Dr. Ambedkar's life. We can strive to be more empathic, compassionate, and inclusive towards others. We can work creating a more just, equitable society where everyone has equal access to opportunities and resources. As we celebrate Ambedkar's Jayanti and life and legacy, let's also remember the values he stood for: equality, justice, and compassion. On Ambedkar Jayanti, let us honor his legacy by working together to address the challenges of our time, such as inequality, poverty, and social injustice. Thank you. Thank you, Tanmay. That was truly a motivating and a contentful speech.
The Constitution is not mainly a document, it is the life and it is the philosophy of our society.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul of the body, and what better way to show the philosophy and the unity of joy through an art of dance.
Coming up next, we have a colorful and energetic group dance performance by enthusiastic students of class 3rd.
With their vibrant expressions and cheerful mood, they are ready to fill up the stage with the happiness and pride as we are here to honor the legacy of Baba Sahib.
So sit back, enjoy and let your hearts sway with their rhythm.
So, with your hearts open and your hands ready to applaud, let us welcome the talented and adorable dancers of class 3rd.
क्रांती सूर्य तू शिल्पकार तू भारताचा बोधिसत्व मुक्तदायका मोडल्या रूढीच्या परंपरा जिंकतेच्या तूच सकल न्यायदायका सूर्य तू शिल्पकार तू भारताचा बोधिसत्व मुक्तदायका मोडल्या रूढीच्या परंपरा जीवन तुझे आम्हास प्रेरणा नाही दिशा तुझीच गर्जना भीमराया स्पर्शिले तू ओझळीने फुले केले पाणी सौदा कराचे हक्क देऊन मानताचे केले सोल पीडितांच्या जीवनाचे मार्ग भीमराया
Gratitude is an attitude of a noble to say thanks to each one of you. The Indian Constitution is considered as the living document. The efforts and the hard work for writing such constitution was huge. Just like that, the effort made for this program was indeed and remarkable. To express some words of gratitude, I like to invite Dhanvin on the dais.
A very warm morning to one and a half percent over here. Master Tanvin Bhagwan Umari, and today I am here to express my words of gratitude for each and everyone who have gathered here to celebrate the day of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar are also often known as father of our Indian Constitution and was the first law minister of our independent India. As we know about our Constitution and the principles it upholds, we remember Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's unwavering commitment toward the social justice. He did great efforts for us, very great efforts like making a constitution and giving equal rights to the people. We are so grateful for his work which he did for us and also for his vision. We should give his idols by being kind, unwavering, and by striving for a better world. I also thank the God Almighty for letting us to live in a country which was made with tears and sweat of red freedom fighters like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. I also thank our management, Reverend Sister Beena Varghese, Reverend Sister Divya, our principal and vice principals, Reverend Sister Prithya Augustine, all other sisters, our dear teachers, and moreover, my dear friends. I thank you once again to make this simple yet thoughtful day more memorable. Thank you. Have a nice day.